welcome back to my channel. Today is a super quick video, but I wanted to just tell you guys what the worst supplements for eczema are. And this is super cool. You guys know all the best supplements. I've already made a video on this, but I'm sure you're wondering, but which one should I not take? There is a great answer for this, and that is you don't want to take supplements that are going to make your Th1, Th2 immune system imbalance worse. So I don't want to give too much away because during my 6-week program I go very in depth onto why there's certain things that you don't want to take when you have eczema based on biology. So you're gonna just have to take my word for it. I'm not going to get into this on this video because it's very complex, but it has to deal with your immune system compared to other people's. Basically, eczema is an autoimmune disorder, so that means that sometimes our immune system is out of balance, and we are Th2 dominant. So basically, our immune system is kind of overactive. So what the difference between us and I guess like normal healthy people is that there's a lot of things floating around where you hear turmeric is great for your immune system. Okay, well here's where I'm going to debunk all of that. So we hear, oh, drink red wine, it's great for your immune system. Do this, do this. Not if you have eczema. Because eczema is an autoimmune disorder, we have an overactive immune system. There are certain chemicals that are further make our immune system more overworked, okay? So the number one supplement that you guys have got to avoid is turmeric. Do not put it in your food and do not take a tablet. Turmeric actually makes our Th2 dominance worse. Like I said, I don't want to get into what Th2 is during this video. If you guys are really curious, please sign up for my program and you'll learn absolutely everything about eczema. My YouTube channel is just to quickly get some quick facts out so that you guys can start healing your skin with or without me. So avoid turmeric. The second thing to avoid is something called resveratrol. It's an antioxidant. That antioxidant will also increase our Th2 dominance. The third thing you guys need to avoid is an antioxidant called quercetin. So all three of those are going to further create an imbalance in our body, which means you're going to deal with eczema for a lot longer. So stay away from turmeric, stay away from resveratrol, and stay away from quercetin. All of those are going to make your eczema worse. Quickly, let me explain that those antioxidants are actually found in some foods, so that's why I tell you guys not to eat red grapes and not to drink red wine. You shouldn't be drinking alcohol at all, by the way. It's going to create so many more issues, like your liver gets affected when you have eczema. Alcohol will also overwork your liver, so stay away from alcohol. So red grapes and red wine have resveratrol in it. Turmeric, curry, and cumin, they all have a compound called curcumin. So if someone suggested for you to take curcumin, that's the exact same thing as taking turmeric. All of those things are going to cause a huge imbalance in your immune system, and we don't want that. So I told you guys this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to pop in and let you know what you have to be avoiding. Please don't let people sway you in any sort of way. Like, there's a lot of things floating around the internet. If you're trying to figure this out on your own, make sure you're looking at sites where you're reading research studies or you're listening to someone who's done clinical studies. That's where I get all my information from. So that's it for today. Just a quick video. I love you guys, and stop taking those and stop consuming. I understand if you live somewhere like India or somewhere in the Middle East where curries are a huge part of your diet. I hate to tell you guys that you may have to start avoiding that if you have eczema. I know this is really, really hard. I would love to work with you because it's going to have to be a really long conversation, but I know that you guys probably eat that regularly in your diet, but you can do it. I know it's going to be a little bit tricky, but try to just eat as clean as possible while avoiding those things. You can still have rice. So you can still have rice dishes. You can still have, well, depending on what stage of eczema you're in, you can probably still have coconut milk. So you can make some of the same dishes. Just try to leave out those spices, please, because you're making your immune system worse. And I'm so sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it is what it is. If you need help coming up with stuff to eat, you know, I can talk to you. Just message me on Facebook or message me on Instagram, and I can help you try to figure that out, because I know that's really, really tough. But I love you guys, and if you live in cultures that don't eat that regularly, consider yourself lucky, and, you know, suck it up, eat clean food, and you will start healing your eczema. I love you guys so much. You know, if you're having a really down day, I can always support you. Just message me and say, like, I'm feeling really bad, I feel so self-conscious, this, that, and the third. I've been through it, I understand. I'll message you back probably immediately. I love talking to you guys. If you need even more help than that, sign up for my program. Love you guys.